my name is Jacob Tomasulo. I'm an RA in Reed Hall. Let's go check out my room. So here in Reed Hall, we are split by co-ed by floor. So all the boys are going to be on the second floor. All the girls are going to be on the first floor. So this is an example of what a room might look like. I am an RA here in Reed, so it's going to look a little bit different. But you can imagine having two sets of all the furniture. So we have a bed here, desk here, and a dresser here. So again, you can just imagine a second set of furniture. I only have the one. So you're allowed to have two appliances for each room. Most people tend to go with a fridge and a microwave. You also have your own AC and heating and cooling unit in each room, so you can control the temperature of your own room. And here's some examples of what another room in Reed might look like. So here in Reed, we also have a communal kitchenette area. So we have some microwaves here, so there is no need to bring a microwave. You can use these ones. There's also some stovetops here if you want to make yourself breakfast one morning. And so we also have our common space here. So this is a common place for students to do some homework, hang out with friends, maybe watch a movie on our projector over here, and maybe play a game of pool, just hang out with the other residents of Reed. So that was a little tour of Reed Hall. I hope you enjoyed it.
Hi, I'm Sammy. I'm a sophomore here at SU and I live in West Village. Come check it out. So in West Village, we have a common living area where we can sit and do homework, we can watch TV. And then coming over this way, we have our kitchen area. So we have a microwave, a fridge, and this is just where we can eat dinner or we can sit here and do work. And then also in West Village, so there's two single rooms and a double room. So this is an example of one of our single rooms. So there's a bed frame, there's a chair and a desk, there's a dresser, and each room also has an AC and heating unit as well. So this is another example of one of our single rooms. So again, we have the dresser, the chair and desk, as well as the bed frame and the individual heating and AC unit. So back here we have our double. So again, we have the dressers, we have the beds, and the desk and chair, as well as our AC and heating unit. So over here we have our shower area. And then back through here, we have our bathroom. And then over here, we have our sink area. And over here, we have our laundry room in the lower level. And then coming this way, we have our common room as well as our little kitchenette. So that's a little bit of what a West Village suite looks like.
Hi everyone, my name is Rachael Cataldo. I'm a senior here at Susquehanna and I currently live in the Residence Hall 18th Street Commons. Come with me and check out my place. So when you first walk in, you'll see our common area. This is like our living room. I have 3 roommates, but depending on which apartment style you live in, you may have 2 other roommates or 3 other roommates. It really just depends. So this is our communal living space. We like to hang out here, spend time together and watch TV and those sorts of things. This is our kitchen area. One of the nice things about living on 18th Street is that it really allows that off-campus housing feel with your own apartment, but you're still on campus. One of the perks that come with living in an apartment on 18th Street is that students do not have to have a meal plan if they don't want to. So a nice thing is that my roommates and I like to hang out and cook dinners, eat in our little dining room area, which you'll see back here. We like to gather around here and eat meals together, and then you'll just see some extra storage space back here. We don't really utilize it. Obviously, you'll just see the recycling bin and the mini fridge there. So since I do have 3 other roommates, we actually have 2 bathrooms in our apartment. So one is downstairs, which you'll see here. So just shower area, toilet, sink, you know, all of the essentials there. And then there is some additional storage area here in this hallway as well, which is really nice. So we like to store extra snacks, drinks, cleaning supplies, and those sorts of things there. You'll see the thermostat here, but every room is individually controlled with both heating and air conditioning. So when it's really hot outside, you can cool off with air, or if it's really chilly in the winter, the heat kicks on and you can get nice and cozy. But now I can show you what my bedroom looks like if you follow me upstairs. Is my bedroom. I do have a roommate, so if you do live with 4 people, if there's 4 people in your 18th Street apartment, there is 1 double room and 2 single rooms. And then if you live in an apartment with 3 people, there is 1 single room and 1 double room. So this is a pretty spacey room. My roommate and I really don't go on each other's sides. We still have our own little space, but obviously share a room. A closet. Each student has a desk, and our drawers are under our bed for additional storage space and other things like that. And then as I mentioned before, since we do have 4 people living here, we do have 2 bathrooms, which is really nice. So you'll see the second bathroom here. This one's a little bit bigger with a bigger shower, and it has a tub, which is nice as well. And then these 2 doors, I will not show you, but these are where my other 2 roommates live, and they have single rooms, so they have their own personal space. And that is what an apartment looks like if you choose to live on 18th Street during your time at Susquehanna.